It is Sunday the
17th of November.
Because it is Kelly's birthday. Ooh, exciting. We are in a rush because we need to go get the bus, but we obviously need to do a quick fit check. Obviously. Go.
Very quick. I got my new Animal Kingdom top on that I got on our first day.
Wild.
My little birthday badge.
Little button badge.
Yeah. Oh, I've got my little dino earrings in.
Nice.
To respect Dino Land.
You did well then, birthday girl. Sweet. Right, okay. I forgot how to do it. It's a Yeti spray jersey I got last year. I always thought it was a little bit feminine in truth, but I like it. It's got this ski club thing on the back or something like that.
It's really good.
We're not going to be out in the hottest part of the day, so I thought I'll get away with a long sleeved thicker top. But we need to go.
We do.
So while we walk to the bus, which is a very short walk, as I say, it's Kelly's birthday today. So our plan is determined by Kelly. We're going for a special character breakfast, which we hadn't intended to do, but after a poor breakfast at Ohana, we decided we needed a good breakfast again, especially on your birthday. So we're going up to Animal Kingdom, to Tusker House, is it called?
House, yeah.
Which is a buffet character dining breakfast.
Yeah, so we're expecting to be a bit like Crystal Palace.
Yeah, we've never done it before, so I'm saying it'll be a good one. We're hoping it's a good one. We're expecting it to be very similar to Crystal Palace, so we're excited for that. We might do a ride, perhaps, or two while we're in Animal Kingdom, but I think the plan is then to jump back and go spend a couple of hours at Blizzard Beach, where we've never been either, so that'd be fun to see.
Which is really interesting because I'm not a big fan of water parks.
It was your idea, so I'm not forcing her into this.
Because we've never been to Blizzard Beach, so I'd really like to see it.
Even if we're only there for an hour or two, it's just...
When I say I don't like water parks, I don't like
slides.
Water slides where you just go down on your own. I don't mind the ones with the rubber rings. I just get scared I'm going to get stuck.
So we're going to go do that, I think, and see there. And then tonight we have Hoop-Dee-Doo-Revue up at Fort Wilderness. So we'll show you little bits throughout the day. We don't really know what we're going to be seeing, so we'll keep you posted. So we're ready. It's Animal Kingdom. We're quite a queue to get in this morning. The queue for the pictures already, look.
Yeah, bye.
And as usual, most people are heading off to Pandora to do the rush onto Flight of Passage. But not us.
Not us.
We're not involved in that today, which isn't so nice. Yeah, you're normally quite stressed out at this point, going, oh god, we need to get in that queue, but we're heading to Africa for breakfast.
Which annoyingly isn't the same direction as Pandora.
It's not.
Kill a signpost, isn't it?
No, because you can turn left off to Pandora there, we turn right.
Now everybody's going in the same direction.
Kelly doesn't have a clue where anything in any of the parks is, so my next...
That's incorrect.
You know where that one path is?
I know where the spring rolls are.
That's true. Cool. But yeah, my absolute top tip for any Disney holiday, if you're going with Kelly, is don't let her navigate. It won't end well. So we're just crossing the bridge into Africa, and Tusker House is just here on the left. But yeah, we've never been here before, so yeah, it's good. I'm excited for this. Tusker House. Check in to the left. So we just checked in, and almost straight away we went on the dining reservation. You can see there the table's ready. So we're told to wait and go around when it's ready on the text, but it's popped up on the app like within about 30 seconds.
Yeah, straight away.
So we're just going round the back now, and we're going in here. You excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah.
If you have a UK number, the text never works.
They don't seem to do, no.
Just check in the app.
Yeah. Or ask at the desk.
Yeah.
And Daisy's down there. characters, we're going up for food now. It's going to be hard to show everything because it's pretty busy. But basically you've got your standard buffet, there's pastries, cups, stuff, the yogurt and granola and stuff over here. Fruit and salad, fake fruit. If you want some plastic in your diet.
It's just for the waiting staff to laugh at people when they
I
try
bet
to get
someone's
it.
done it once. We've got shakshuka here, which I've no idea what it is, but I'm going to give it a go. And then gal.
Oh, are they like eggs?
Super interesting. That is jasmine rice, chicken curry, and mealy pop. Any clue?
Normally just like give me a little morning, but I forgot.
So we've got pulled ham, sausage patties, bacon, egg, potato barrels, shashuka, not sure how you pronounce that. Kelly's got similar, plus a waffle. A Simba waffle. Nice. What have we got here then?
This is pudding plate.
Pudding plate.
So pancakes with some compote. That's a zebra coffee cake.
Nice.
That's like an African pudding.
Malva cake with banana.
Guava pastry. Mini blueberry muffin.
Nice. Excited. I've got basically the same with a little chocolate twist and Simba waffle. How was breakfast, birthday girl?
It was really good. Yeah.
Want to give me a review?
Yeah, better than Ohana for sure.
Right.
The food is really nice. Like there's some different stuff like spicy eggs and things.
Yeah.
So food's really good. It is busier, but it's fine. Like it's
Busier.
not, like busier than the other character dinings, like Crystal Palace.
Well, that's the only other one we've really done.
Yeah. Yeah, characters are really good. Staff's really nice. They got a birthday card, which is really cute.
Yeah, I definitely would recommend that. If you like a character buffet breakfast, you'll like it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely. And it's really nice to see the characters in the little safari outfits and stuff. First time we've ever met Goofy, and he's so tall.
This version of Goofy was very tall.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. I definitely recommend.
Cool. So what we're going to go do now?
We'll have a look at the queue times, but maybe a dinosaur or Everest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. And that'll do for today for Animal Kingdom. We're swimming against the current, whatever you say. Where everyone's coming in, we're going out.
Yeah.
But we're heading back now, swapping into swimming stuff, and we're going to go to Blizzard Beach. Exciting. Bus to ourselves. So this is the bus back to Animal Kingdom, because this is where we need to go to transfer to Blizzard Beach. Had we known that first time, we would have just taken our stuff. But the timings for the bus have been really good, so we don't have lost much time.
No, we literally got like to the route at 11:05 and go down back on the bus at 11:20.
Yeah, did well. Well, we've made it. We are here at Blizzard Beach. So we're just going to go tap in and work out what we're doing. So if you hadn't guessed by the name, Blizzard Beach is all like snowy themed, which is very juxtapositional with the setting of where we actually are.
I'm excited.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So you just got in and you sort of come into like a little village in the Alps or something. Yeah, very cool. A new gift shop for us to check out, Kelly.
Yeah.
That's what you're all about, innit? Go on then, let's have a look. Don't cost us anything, please. So we've got a towel. We're going to go find somewhere and then decide if we need to put a locker on. I won't be filming much because everyone's in bathing suits, so probably not fair. Like I say, I won't be filming much, but just show you like the main slide up there. It looks really cool. It obviously doesn't come flying off like it looks like it does, but it looks good. Hello.
You're going in the locker.
Goodbye.
I don't trust you, it was stolen.
Goodbye. We had a good time.
Yeah, it's been really good.
Yes.
I almost drowned.
Yeah, sorry we haven't shown you around much. Just it's a bit funny when everyone's looking back this swim gear and you don't know what we're filming.
Put it in the locker.
And we put this in the locker, but we did pretty much all of the slides other than the big like single rider drop one. But
It was a big one as well.
it was. Not quite, but it wasn't far off, was it? Yeah, it was good fun. Did a couple of rubber ring ones, didn't we?
Yeah, I liked the rubber ring one.
Did an open tube and I did a closed wing.
Yeah.
And then we did one where you lay down on your front on like a toboggan. You got a race. And Kelly nearly drank the table.
I think it's that stuff.
Is it?
Yeah, I did. I nearly drowned.
That's cool. I came down, I thought, oh, that was a lot tamer than I thought, and then I turned around and just saw her coming down, like, incredibly dishevelled. It was good fun. And I've just spent the last hour and a half asleep while you've been reading.
Pardon?
While you've been reading.
Yeah, I've been reading.
As I'm just coming back round again, to be honest. That thing where you wake up with no idea where you are, but you're in Blizzard Beach. You're like, what? So we're going to go back now and we get a snack and a drink and start and get ready and then head out over to Fort Wilderness at our own good time. I'll come back. I love it.
Yeah, me too.
We're just having a little snack, aren't we? We're not eating for about 5 hours, so
Yeah,
I got a super slice of pizza for reference. It is my hand.
super.
It is super.
And a Mickey cupcake.
And it's like a little birthday cake for you, Kelly. What's the cake?
It's very nice though.
Yeah? Just use that as standard chocolate?
Yeah, it's nice though.
Yeah.
Not like dry or anything. Pizza was good.
There's the evidence. There is nothing left. As soon as we finished, I was like, shall I go get the pepperoni? And I can't tell you how much I wanted her to say yes. And we approach back to the room after a nice little snack break. So I think it's coming up at about 4 o'clock, something like that.
4:15.
Oh, I'm behind.
Yes. Wiggle on.
So we're just gonna look at that wiggle. So we're just gonna get showered and ready and whatnot, and then head out because we've got loads of time. We've got 4 hours till our Hoop-Dee-Doo, but we don't really know where we're going.
Yeah, we want to explore.
And we like to explore the resort as well and just make the most of it. So yeah, we'll crack on. Good evening. So we've done a fairly quick but also chilled turnaround, had a coffee and got ready. So we're heading out now. So we've done a bit of reading. It looks like the best way to get to Hoop-Dee-Doo at the Fort Wilderness cabins, whatever they call it, because there's the Fort Wilderness Resort and the cabins are the different.
Yeah.
Is to go to Magic Kingdom and then get the bus. No, the bus. The
Boat.
boat. Sorry. The water bus.
The water bus.
So we're going to go jump on our bus now to get to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
But because this has for some reason become a thing we do now.
Fit check.
Fit check. How ridiculous. I never thought this would be a thing. Talk us through it. Talk us through
I
it.
have worn this dress on a different day, but
Scandal.
I know. It's cute.
So Bridgerton, she's worn that dress before.
Yeah, I would look cute because it's my birthday. And I got my classic ears, little birthday bag on.
In your birthday bag?
R2's with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my little Disney Converse.
Sweet. I've put a Haunted Mansion spray jersey on.
Yeah.
Because I don't think I'll get to wear it otherwise.
Yeah.
I put them sort of chino shorts on that I got the other day.
What did you realise?
They had the tag on.
Yeah. But we don't think you could see it, because I didn't notice it.
Yeah.
And you trusty Converse?
Just a Converse.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Half a day that I did.
Yeah.
I regret it.
You embarrassed now?
Well, no, because I can edit it out. So, it's all good.
Very good. Let's go.
Let's go. So here we are at Magic Kingdom. But I just said I feel like a fraud because we're not going to Magic Kingdom, we're just using the transportation. And loads of people have turned up. It's a very Merry Christmas party tonight, so...
Yeah, everybody's got their Christmas outfits on.
So you've got loads of people leaving the park because obviously they're not going to the event, and then loads of people arriving, so it's pretty busy around this transport area at the moment. But we're going to go find the boat launch stop to take us to the Fort Wilderness lodges, cabins, whichever one it is.
We'll work it out.
We'll work it out, probably. So we've got from just there the resort launches, not the ferry boat, just to be clear. And we're at stop, I think it was 3, which is the Fort Wilderness campground. But it is clearly signposted, and it even says that it goes to the Hoop-Dee-Doo. So, perfect. How was that timing?
It's really good.
Straight onto the boat. Excited for this?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'll hold out for you. I don't want it to fall.
We've just got to the Fort Wilderness Lodge? No, not lodge, the other one.
Yeah,
Campsite.
campsite.
Got a little shop here. Cool. So we've got a little tavern here, beer, wine and cocktails. It's Crockett's Tavern, which I think was shut until recently, being refurbed, I might be wrong. And then Pioneer Hall over there, which is where Hoop-Dee-Doo is.
Yes, it is.
But we are so early.
Yeah, but there's a 6:30 one though, so these guys will be for the 6:30 one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
I thought you meant these people were waiting for our Hoop-Dee-Doo.
No, I just meant they'll be waiting for Hoop-Dee-Doo. There's a playground over there and it's absolutely jam-packed.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, let's have a mooch.
Press the bar.
So we're just so early.
Yeah.
We allowed everyone like an hour and a half to
You
get
know, all
there.
the stuff we've read online is really dramatic about allowing all the time to get there. Then you've just read something about it takes ages to get from the lodges to, no, from the campground to the lodges.
To like
We've just hopped
2
on the
3
bus,
minutes.
It took 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So people are very dramatic.
But
We could, in fact, I wonder if there's a way to walk it because it's so far.
I don't think so, and it's really dark. I don't want to scared.
Well, yeah, it was good.
But we were super lucky. We walked straight onto the bus at our resort and then
Yeah.
went straight from the bus, and the boat was literally there ready to set off, so we saved loads of time there. But we're going to have a look around the Wilderness Lodge now, and then maybe get a drink somewhere and head over in a bit. But so far, looks beautiful. So yeah, this is a stunning resort. Can't quite capture the scale of it, I don't think. It's hard to really get it, isn't it? Or a gym. Giant totem pole there. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, this is on the When We're Rich list. It's the scale of it. I don't think it's quite easy to capture, is it? What do you think?
It's really nice. Yeah.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. Hi.
Hi. Love it there.
Yeah, it's so cool.
This is the I forgot what it was called, Whispering Canyon Cafe.
Yeah.
Looks really good, like another sort of family style, as much as you care to enjoy, similar to Woody's Roundup.
Yeah.
Big barbecue skillet. That could be one for the next time we make it back to Disney World.
I'll have to make a note of that.
Yeah.
That's right up our street.
Yeah.
And it has shenanigans.
We love a shenanigan.
We like shenanigans.
We like shenanigans. But yeah, we're going to go back to the cabins now and get a drink and just chill and wait.
Yeah.
Exciting. Beautiful. To be a Disney horse.
Be a Disney horse.
We're back anyway. Got about an hour to kill.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a drink.
Sounds good. What are we doing? Having a pint and waiting for the whole thing to blow over. How's 16 fluid ounces?
Oh, 16 fluid ounces. I mean, it looks like a bit.
Awfully close.
None of the beer here has a head. Like,
weird, isn't it?
you'd send this back at you realise the gas is off. Like,
It's strange.
yeah.
You join me on another solo mission for Kelly. We've got about an hour till Hoop-Dee-Doo and food, and we sat having a beer. She's like, I should have got them pretzels. I'm starving. No, we'll just go to the shop. She was miles away. Like, it's literally over the road. She went, is it? So I'm off to get her some pretzels. The settlement trading post. I like a job though, it gives me a sense of purpose. Goods acquired. Happy.
Do you know who that is?
Chip. Dale. But tell us how then.
Because Dale has a red nose.
Oh, is that right? Ah. Does it say Chip and Dale on it or not? It's really just Dale though, isn't it?
I suppose so. Maybe they're different on each packet.
I'm not going back. Excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing? We are in the queue outside. It doesn't particularly matter where you are in the queue because we have a table booked.
Yeah, it's your table's on your ticket. We have table 11C.
Very good.
Sounds like a good table.
Sounds like a good table. I reckon it's going to be a really good table. Excited?
Yeah. The horse closest to us over there is called Judd.
Judd. Nice.
Kept proofing its little trough and they're like, stop it, Judd.
Kelly, you got a decent table? So we're at the Hoop-Dee-Doo-Revue and we have been seated at the very, very front. How's that?
It's so good.
There's already some food here. Do you want to get some pictures?
Yeah.
We just need to order our drinks, which are bottomless. Wow. I'm a bit blown away, to be honest.
Like as we were approaching closer, like were you looking at all the tables of two?
Yeah, no one back there, and I thought that's a good one.
Yeah, and then like as we were getting closer, I was like, shit, there's no other tables of two. Like we must be there.
Wow.
We are.
So we have the hoop salad, coleslaw, and homemade cornbread with whipped butter,
Yeah.
chocolate sauce. Nag.
The cornbread
Cornbread.
is so good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's this little beauty here. How crazy is this?
I can't go for it.
So cool.
Can't get over it, honestly.
Mess up bills for your fine dinner. They want to remind you that smoking's not allowed inside the building here. I understand. But we was held over from our previous engagement.
And our stage cross broke down. Now we'll have to have to be so long winning this floor. We got a show to do. All right, Casey, fire up the oven.
We didn't film the food. We forgot.
It was very distracting to be fair.
Well, you can see the remnants. Some ribs and chicken, mashed potato, you saw the coleslaw earlier, some cowboy beans, mac and cheese. Enjoying it?
This is Kelly visiting from England, and Kelly's turning 32.
Hey,
we are just coming out of the Hoop-Dee-Doo, and I thought that was incredible.
It was so
Like, that was absolutely so fun.
yeah.
I mean, from the second we got there and they walked us through and they put us on the front table, which was like, oh my god.
We absolutely lost our mind over that.
You got a little birthday shout out.
Yeah.
I just saw start to finish. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
The food was really good. The service
Yeah,
was really
food was
good.
great.
But they were so funny, like genuinely funny.
Yeah.
The act and the entire process is it's such a well-oiled machine.
Yeah, it's really well done. And they do, so there's 3 shows per day. I don't know if there's any days where they don't do it. And the cast on that particular day do all 3 shows.
That makes sense, yeah.
But that's like a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
And you want like the energy. That was the first thing I said to you about it, wasn't it? I was like, the energy that they bring is just brilliant.
Oh yeah. It's very, very impressive. And they're so quick and
Yeah.
very talented, and the I don't know, the comedy was more my style than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it was really,
It was really funny.
really good fun. Would definitely
100% recommend.
So we did it on the dining plan,
Which cost two sit-down credits.
I would pay for that.
I would have paid for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no qualms at all. And I think because there's different tiers depending on different pricing, depending on where you sit. I think there's 3 tiers:
Yeah.
upper, and then the back, and then like middle and front.
Yeah, you've got like the main hall, and you've got tier 1 and 2, so you'll be at the front or the back half of the hall, or tier 3, which is up at the top. So
Yeah.
I think no matter where you sit, you'd have a good time
Yeah, absolutely loved it.
because they involve everybody.
We're just trying to suss out the boat now, so we'll be back in a minute. We got the bus back. Boat.
We did that. on the
No
way.
wheels.
Yeah.
There are no wheels. God's sake.
Floats on the
We got the boat back. No
Very
problem.
good.
We're lucky again. It was right there, so we walked straight on. And without Magic Kingdom, but leaving, so we can get on the bus. But we were just saying, it's about 10:30,
Yeah.
and so there's loads of people coming out of Magic Kingdom, which means they've been here for the Christmas party and have left early. Bear in mind, it starts at 7 and it's expensive, so they've only had 3.5 hours, and they could be going for another hour and a half.
And
Madness.
like at this point, if you've got another hour to go, just stay the hour.
Yeah, I'm getting my 5 hours.
Just get a cookie and a hot chocolate and sit there and get your hours worth.
Exactly. Anyway, we've got to get the Caribbean bus now, so we will see you again to sign off when we're back.
Hello.
Hello. So have you had a good day then?
I have had a very good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your highlight?
That's very difficult because I really enjoyed the breakfast
Yeah.
with all the characters, and I really enjoyed Buzzard Beach, and I really enjoyed Hoop-Dee-Doo.
Hoop-Dee-Doo.
The whole day, really.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Not the man who said I was 35, just as we were getting off the bus there.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
What about you?
Hoop-Dee-Doo was the highlight for me. I thought it was amazing. And getting that table right at the front as well, wow. But it's a weird one because we've not been rushed off our feet today, but I am tired.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Let's give it the best side off yet. It's you washing your face.
You're the one who came over here with the camera.
I know. I'm glad I did it.
I was just innocently washing my face.
But we're going to leave it there because nobody wants to see Kelly without a face on.
God.
She's 30. She looks 35.
Right, it's so
35 with makeup. What are we doing tomorrow? Animal Kingdom.
Yep.
And maybe a sneaky trip to Magic Kingdom to watch Happily Ever After. So we will say goodnight there, and we see you for that next one.
Yeah. Good night.